I did juice from the juicer for 8 years without drinking no bottled juice from a store. I just would juice 8 years of just drinking juice from the juicer. That's where it's funny. I don't know if I ever told you about this, Professor, was that's where the Brother Air Lemonade came from. Jay Kordich, I was staying with Jay, the Juicemen. I don't know, any of y'all remember him? The Juicemen? Man, I know y'all ain't that young, because he was doing those telecommercials all through the 80s.
Oh, yeah, I know you're talking
Remember
about
the Juiceman, Jay Kordich? Not Jack LaLanne. Jack came after, but Jay was the Juiceman, and then they start selling the juicers.
Yeah, because I had one.
Yeah,
Juiceman Junior.
Juiceman. Yeah, the Junior came. Yeah, the Junior actually came, I think, after Jay passed. But I was staying with him, and I came up with that lemonade, and he used it. He would taste my liquor. He's like, man, what is this? I was like, man, it's just this in the lemon. He put it in his book. I didn't care that he got the credit for it, but that's a story that most people don't know, that I was doing that in his house, and he was checking it out. He ended up using it, and so,